Friends, myself Jagdish Karau, lecturer in zoology KB DAV College Nirakarpur. Today I am going to discuss about difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Friends, here is a table which contains comparison between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction according to certain characters. Let us take the first character, that is involvement of gametes. Asexual reproduction is a process of reproduction that occurs without the involvement of gametes or sex cells. But in case of sexual reproduction, gametes are involved. That means male gametes and female gametes are involved in this process. The next character is parents involved. Asexual reproduction is uniparental. That means a single parent is needed for asexual reproduction. But the sexual reproduction is biparental. That means two parents, male and female, are required for this sexual reproduction. Then the reproductive units. In case of asexual reproduction, the somatic cells act as reproductive units. But in case of sexual reproduction, the reproductive cells or gametes act as reproductive units. The next character is occurrence of fertilization. In asexual reproduction, no fertilization occurs. But in case of sexual reproduction, fertilization occurs. This process of fertilization is the union of male and female gametes to produce a zygote. Then the types of cell division occurs in the process of reproduction. In case of asexual reproduction, the cell division may be amitotic or mitotic. But in case of sexual reproduction, the cell division occurs is meiosis, and this meiotic division produce haploid gametes. Next is the number of chromosomes involved. The chromosome remain diploid during asexual reproduction, but in case of sexual reproduction, the haploid gametes are united to produce the diploid zygote. Next, genetic variation. No genetic variation is brought about by asexual reproduction, but sexual reproduction produces genetic variation. Hence, it introduces genetic diversity within a population and also contribute to the process of evolution. Let us go to the next character, that is the speed of reproduction. The process of asexual reproduction is rapid, which is useful for organism whose strategy to survive is to reproduce rapidly. The process is slower in case of sexual reproduction. The production of offspring in sexual reproduction occurs less rapidly. Specialized organs involved. Organisms reproducing asexually do not have specialized reproductive organs because their body parts participate in the process of reproduction. So, there is no specialized organs or sex organs in case of asexual reproduction. But in case of sexual reproduction, there is specialized reproductive organs, that is male reproductive organs and male reproductive system. Similarly, in case of female, female reproductive organs and female reproductive system. Next character is genetic identicalness. The offsprings formed by asexual reproduction are genetically identical. That means no variation of genetic structure is found in the daughter individuals as well as in the parents. But in case of sexual reproduction, genetical difference is found, or genetical variation is found in case of sexual reproduction. Next is the continuity of genetic information. Asexual reproduction allows continuity of genetic information through different generations. That means no genetic change is found in the daughter individuals from generation to generation, because they are similar in the genetic makeup to their parents. But in case of sexual reproduction, genetic variation is formed, and this variation allows the evolution to proceed. Next character, contribution to evolution. As variation is not seen in offsprings, asexual reproduction does not contribute to the process of evolution and speciation. That means no special structure or no new species is produced by asexual reproduction. But in case of sexual reproduction, as there is the creation of a variation in the offsprings, this type of reproduction seems to contribute to evolution. Let us go to the example of asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is found in amoeba, paramecium, sponges, hydra, most of the fungi, and some vertebrates like lizards. But sexual reproduction is found in higher organisms like humans and other mammals and plants. Friends, you can take the screenshot of the slides and share the links among your friends to gain knowledge about difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Thank you.